In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to turn green text messages back into blue iMessages on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Messages and launch it. Now scroll down and navigate to the option iMessage. Make sure you have enabled for this option. In case it is already enabled, disable for this option, wait a few seconds and again enable it. This refreshes your iMessage connection. Now click on the option Send and Receive. Make sure your phone number and your Apple ID email are both selected. This ensures iMessage can send using multiple options. Green bubble are SMS texts usually sent to Android phones or when iMessage is not working. Blue bubbles are iMessages sent between Apple devices like iPhones, iPad, and Macs. After you customize these settings, you'll be good to go. Blue bubbles should appear. In case you are still getting the green messages, that means the receiver is using Android device or the iMessage is disabled in that device. Over here, you will find the option of Send as SMS. You will need to disable for this option as well. And that's it. This is how you can easily fix green text messages on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.